Hey guys, so we are building our own, well, we're attempting to build our own kitchen table, like a country kitchen table. I've never done this before. I don't have a fancy shop. I've watched a few videos. I don't have fancy tools. And I'm going to imagine a lot of people are like me. I have a back porch. I have a skill saw, a jigsaw. I have a few smaller tools because I don't do projects like this very often. But I went out and spent about $100 in materials, and I'm going to give it a try, and maybe you could use this as an inspiration for your next project. So let's get started. So I chose to do this project with yellow pine. I just want the cheapest thing because I'm going to stain it. And so we're going to get started with some basic cuts. So I've got 4x4s that are untreated. And then I've got some 1x4s, 1x6s, and 1x8s because I'm building benches as well. So I'll be putting this list on there so that if you want to build this exact one, you'll know exactly what I bought and what I used and the measurements and everything. So let's get started cutting. Okay, make sure you drill those holes first, obviously, because you don't want to crack pieces of wood. This pine is kind of delicate, so definitely want to drill some holes first. So let's do that. Okay, so I got my legs cut, and I chose to go with 30 inches because I want my table about 31 inches. And then I wrapped that with 1x4s, and I chose to go with 42 inches on one side, or on two sides, and then 40.5 on the other, because I want my table to be about 42 inches on each side. So now what I've chose to do, and I've looked at different things, and this is the least expensive way that I could think to do it, because that's what I'm shooting for, is actually to build this frame. If you can see this frame, and my idea, and I hope that it works, is to take that frame and that it will slide in here like so, and help serve as a to help support these legs, and then also so that my top, when I flip it over, I'll have something that I can anchor my top down to. So I'm hoping it'll serve two purposes. Let's see how that works out. I decided on 44 inches so that I'd have a little bit to hang over on both sides, about an inch on both sides, and then about an inch or so on both sides going that way. So it looks a little bit better. And so I'm going to work on screwing these in and seeing how it turns out. Let's go. Okay guys, so the top's good and secure. Everything is very, very secure. So since I got the back screwed on and the top and everything, but now it's time to fix these holes that I've made with screws with some good wood filler, and then these cracks as well. Let it dry, sand it down, and see what it looks like. So here we go. Okay guys, so I'm done with the exception of putting maybe another coat of stain and some poly on it. I'm very pleased with it considering that I've got just a few small tools, a back porch, a backyard, no big shop. I'd love to have a big shop, nothing against it, it's just don't have it. So I've never made a table. Here it is, first one. I'm very pleased with it. It's really good and sturdy and strong, and can't wait till it dries and everything's done and I can get it into the kitchen and start using it. So anyway, thanks for watching. If you want to find out a little bit more about the benches that I'm making for this, stay tuned, and there's a link and you can go check that video out to see the 4 benches that I'm making to go along with this table. So thanks for watching.